Sisters, you know, this time around, this modern life, everybody, both man and woman, don't they do something, they invest, because all they depend on any man again. Meanwhile, this everything want they play for this time, I want they play am house because I don't mention anybody name, so I don't want make people still hear the voice. Now my ear now go they list it because I emphasize on some words. If I they list it to they pick am out, the user they advise people. If in fact the person when talk come direct, she needs this advice well past every other person. Meanwhile, my first celebrate my sister Sandoka. I love that babe. Again, I only yage me yage. It came a case swing. I don't mind it, but a story exactly like my own story, you know. Nwa okwo na ekinoke lajo mo ko na ekinoke lazia ige gbogere iyan ona fe ore no he ya mo ya gbegbe any place no ya je no na make you oge ore no ka o wa gbon won start even ore no ka o wa gbon egbo fi wa because owe mi ne we had do you know where am we na ni go talk wa do gbe na wa do downgrade e guys they know ne ho na no oga is with the same thing. Yes. Even when you help him, who waste my sister, who waste you gonna help him. Your sister, you gonna tell you my hair. You gonna have you a party. Maka leva ni gbera ne. Hey, salobo. Unwe omana ikinona kon wa gbon. A mistake o ilogo ake do arrange mistake on wa gbon ilogo. But manani ka leva gbera ne ma do ribude ne ma. Ni ba ere sera duru we o nke do made a mistake ini. You understand me now? Okay. Nika ponona ne. Eti akpe o ya wa play e ho mo hia je ni ya analyze e so nugwa. And we have the same mentality. No me that same mentality. Ige even you wa he ogo e ya gbon here. Wa ru mo palo, nya hia boy ma so abio. Ka ye wa ru musuin. Na ka we pobo your way. We dan wa ru mu ya so. Ko wa na ti rent, o ja no rent. You must wa downgrade him no you wow. Or because we have brag. Emi no ya brag. Emi na degration. It's louder than voice. You understand it? I want my mind with there, but downgrade him no you wow. Rather ugogone. Rather ugogone. Would you say 700,000? Udele you my hair. Nu kame wa ojade ma. My desk is like a verse of ogon in it. Unwe emina ude ma. Aye na talazin. Emanu we no hian na we. You go man now magbe. All work here you know where I take it no uni ma. Anyway une gbu we o eri never hian degege enu une gbu na hin. Udele Sandra. I will never yage Sandra. I will not yage Mr. Johnson. When me a dare anybody that I don't tell me Mrs. Johnson get down. When I see it, cause I talo. So I only yage Sandra. Agbogun. Sandoka. If I'm not black or white, we yet la jango. If I'm like it, I'm give me. Ono say this period everywhere. One made of in Nigeria. I only yage Mrs. Johnson. And yage Sandra. Uno start the man. Oh, say again, I will. Apobone. Ilé ko aneta lo. Ilé ko aneta lo. E ka brag e ka ta lo. We didn't even know what dege. Apobone ya e. You wanna na. You know even wo epia. We are here boy. One room up master. My sister downgrade of you all because we go for agare ko ya we. Downgrade of you are. Also, but so you switch a comment in because my like in get all distracted. You hear it in the answer. Una start even na. Emi na yo bo ma wo wa. O emi na talo. Uya build anywhere. Uya build any. Utie boy. Superstar, famous person. Etalo, ego e de. Etalo bugbe my dear sister. 99% of people ma like you. We ya ma like. Etalo no kunu we na ya ma like my dear sister. We not tell matter. We can we maybe boss in it. But matter tell atama we. We don't block you. Oga that way. Who block me now? I know for block this lady. Yours they pay me say I block the way she won't bed. Now I go work. Oh yeah, block a lady now because every time we bolele we and then the taloma we go on larere. But based on your block matter who block me long credit that time. I not for block that lady. Just pay me. Where after this they go on block her. No, need to unblock me. Because my make up body way any a brag we back a talo we taloma downgrade the way you did this right. My dear sister, a man's worker or way you where go? Egui because he hates we but one way. No view what he up bono oh yeah my sister. In ya only downgrade we wow ne hoyo me wa white we me na new. Yes, because the same thing may go through no wagon on no see ni na new born again. Ah sandoka omono me wan gele hin. Yes. Omono gele suse o gele hin because omono suse. You know tai eya wa aye fe zere na. Usaya zere. Wa jekin kedze. Wa mudayo hono okogbobo una mudayo e mashon uya mo pisho e mashon cause nwe ko kede yes nwe ko kede wa mudayo dawo una mo pisho oye we mashon evioma my dear sister ni akpe mi kere no uta e o me ya ataji ya igata e o me ya analyze latin ne ya mi no buwo understand first. Okay. Oyi ka wala live video. Iya ga tala tutu. Oyi wa de go pa e kan go. O pa ke kan no dere. Ige we e ga gbeli go kwa. Ya we mi agbon ni ya wata. Oh no wa go. Stupid. Oh no wa swe. Emi ni ata lugar o. Yene wari boko wewe onwa Joseph Kakanti agbele mi guwe we ma won hin a voice we no wari direct onwa no we na gboya no bono ya no is why direct go egun a you gbe you mamu you help my dear sister bude nítorí enu e amare no help ma wa garu wi balawo o hin na ere iyobo o mekena we se ni managbo Kosawe manari yobo na ero barokba je were e manari yobo na ero baje were people when you help nobody go remember you if you dey inside you see that wetin you invest put that your investment now you go come sit down on top later they use the shop people dey wonder so this person face a rich enough for everybody when you help they go run leave you see the way I tell you if you want talk wetin once you get the way my tongue dey roll inside my mouth they go run leave you one person dey get godmother and godfather cause of encouragement cause someone now will take in assist well what that one my godmother me my understand me my way godmother one me ugbe so iwe ni so yen godmother me like so but o me no hear ya tie won no study me na even hedges cause won wo ba hin my dear sister a braga apugbe we gboko Emma yes Emma ugwalo wodo wala wodo ugwana bo oye no problem we wo but you beg no of you wow oni meredo tam we you beg no of you wow cause someone already rent someone no get do jave rent o hono okwo bo hono en one room keka obo o hege one room no me value Uguju say 700 ya de juma here. My sister, no. There are some things no amu no that at the Facebook a public do ata e kwe amu me no hewe. I swear. E kwe gbe me amu me no guwe. E mari we ga we na ni that was so gare we background. Iya boboy we. Who dey voice here? A voice na ya tiom azuo. Oluga a voice na ka my sister tell say yes. Iya teta se but iya che was o we koi. Wa bragi. Eh you my hair. Property my sister. Ude we look at the loja de man. You my hair property. You gonna ya feel you go property. amu efwa igo na ya gbele uku me aga me ye we ya tiege atebu awa mu me ye atebu ede na mu me she lady ibe ni ya siku ni vedeyo ifo partner we mu me ye atebu ye ni go ni gbele but my sister o keke ya na ya kon we are say cupboard me aro sister lawe especially yaro but a rubbish me gifts ni ya fe na cause iga we ni ya o ga me su se gbe di wa mi go na ya wa lo ya fun ya fa ya adele but my sister rubbish no a rubbish no e ba me don hear rubbish no when Nigeria me re na school me re do zo ya de wa me so igo na masigo rat investment yen me igo na masigo no me how if your boy me no vule o wa ba kan bo me my sister all those sister property investment bo ya wa agaro wo kan na enu ya kon nwe wa no meje o me ya ma se no saba won ya o meje o saba gbo emi ni ta to fi ju agwagwere ba won no sadi me na o no wa opogwa o me nwa wa gbona at least una him se ni ju ese family we selelewe una igado bombo go no we no keke we no you travel you zigo no na you travel school funny me we eziri kworo le pa mind me exist in Nigeria ama were my dear e braga abugbe ogbi mejo one who we want that way man go dislike you no nobody dislike you personally your personality no now your bragging your ways of living your doing is like people hate about you talk too much so I know unlimited if ego when ni mwe woto a pride we mwe woto any do it to any place my dear sister e sando omono me nwa no omono even wo ba ka ya filu pege ni industry e ma ro ni wa filu pege but in ya gas trash omono react ye mi na time my dear sister o ma mo gbo ya grow wa gbon ba ha I trip you no I admire we on you hear me my dear sister your level is just too low wa ha and we want by trip you no umi o ma no rain wa wrestler because woman grow ego way in a way na higher respect way who grow ego way in a local way na gare wa look down on you okona me we real life no wa talo na hina okay kana wa buya de my sister hey Ebony Sandoka Esther Dobayi awe man had a film buya to ya because famous people ya him when you brag too much people will look down on you ema ufrike man even wo my sister say you wo ko mana ni gwana ma mi ne wa gbona na haire fashion me no ke do journal la de na fashion ha me wa o me conditions so do age we are respecti mi a gani me de dinaga iwe o me dinaga e so me ga ajo so say do age gift me e dinaga me ma gbelele ben ya ye but a rubbish life era making cause on investment a bank officer me here no so we more than 25 million we save your account we what so my dear because a lifestyle in my live my why gbelele Nigeria how I gbe parebo how gbe akon we why say like gbele how gbe parebo ezuo me tie ni ya my sister ezuo no ezuo oh I can understand ezuo no enu ya for me ni wa ezuo no investment my dear sister investment and we hear it last year the girl say we human we are shiki and wins you go are from corner on your investment my dear sister don't brag too much you ma hair ija you ma hair kewe koko imo ejun na how you 50 million adoy again no freak one who do million so or na do 100,000 or 10,000 you ma hair so kana mo you know of it on mi na rie you or mo na re egbe we're not joy. We're not more as when or here fit more important. Invest, my sister. Forget them and wood job now. Wagaru wero babu wede. You gonna yagbele kwa party. I'm for. Mana kalive la fe bigene. No kasi gbo volele ndeli mana. Mama ke, mana aruwe, ana fun ere we. Okoli wa mi o ere jese level we o high so yin. Maga fun ere ugbo o igbo ya fe maga fun ere we. Mani maga pa so mo mi go the peace. Well, amigo say what? Where's the peace of mind? But in now, all important. Uwe, do my no bowling mansions, bolo houses. I don't have no papa yari. My just tell you analyze them in a minute. Ikawu, a temptation vana, all look at. Oh, so bad that maybe die go of you work, cause they wish of you walk on your million, say, ya for no delegbinya. Only I wish of you were very bad of you people. No bonona na cyber game with that one do you right? No. Oh yeah, Bobby, cause Eruna na you woman him. No ka boka ona or bogeva bogo here bok here. Here yari right. You may not see messing one week on a can. What hey up upon you oh yeah. Oh, before the go away your back. Oh, wait, back. And one more, let me go. Achievement, but on more cake achievement, or Osaba is your mom who gain, or achievement to gain. It works, whatever, always you gain. Or more wait, waiting your prosperity again, or more prosperity or what whole man shish na right. I saw more, we face anybody nothing your ruler or tag bona, or mana momo, when no more, how I made I we face or it. When I agiomo, when I me on bien on 50 years on your way get my lily or 20 years. My dad start I use all those to say encourage a boy, menopause aguacana. Oh, mon Papa pause. Menopause maguacana, piacana. E no se lo ko na ru de menopause. Those people wa jege on marry 50 years, might see a beer. I mean, I don't hear anybody wagbon. Those people wa marry 50 years, why see a beer ni biaje. Nobody will hurry you. What will hear beer? But say man love you what? Oh your mama ya see one your way on na. Esi we. You figo uhiane the age. Ono say na tell you budon monwe. Won gbe se mese yan posho efem. Okay na. We uhian build a boy. We are build boy. We are build anywhere. You want to become as in wow, who become famous like all those Genevieve and all that. International place we really say. My dear sister, you know what? When I got all those things to buy his shoe, when I make buevo, on what by don't know. Nobody love you. Nobody love you. Too much of bragging, ma. Let's say bragging, babe. Why don't build a boy bragging? Yes. Why don't go build a boy bragging? Because a bragger build on our backbone all less down. Get mountain action. We get on the action with boy. Again, now just or ya with the industry. We make sure book by ya with industry. Me at time where vana on my normal hand. Truth or God, sorry, because on one we try with that grades now. Already so way. On all the way you want you face up boy from no expect maro because again I know ya somewhere. Okay, so far. Yes, on our way is a doka ya way no himuko is a doka no hioka no hinevi is a asa you my own the year 2008. The year the year 2009. Mana get film again now. We see we now. Obi na jira ba. Yet to be back men after many years, maybe we say we yet to be got battle on way. Ekponi memu ye na ga coffee to ekpo no rin wo gwa gi e gbo na wo gwa ma je da ga gbon. Oh, you love again igbe. Oh yeah, it's back again. We gonna look at this guy ugly. Sha, that is small. Ya tam when I only na why e gwa kana na otai e me for many years in abroad. But man were that great years back. Like that in Facebook. Why you can't bomb my daughter? Why you can't look down on somebody? Come on, why gay Baba na go or ye here or near Baba na? Imana agba ma no enwa fu ma wo momo no nya na manya kwe ono se na nwe weke master na yo nwada no nya na o manya kwe o hioma why ga yo opportunity la wa gbe wa he ya gun ere na tamu we uga eke we ri piari e uga wa hia bogwa yugo ha ge kenu he abogwa my dear sister boy yo ha o ubo yupo owo boma keke nu bogwa jo kan le roshan alaveri ani aso ogwa we nu wa to cross owe ekeli ret we ko we lo sunu no wa based on irinoro pa can na just one line I dey like this money zebu understand me ya mo ya time the other side ya mo ya time the other side so anytime of you kwoni ogwo do magwa ona if you meva do kera imana anytime ya bije be self mother ke kupere o sipo me koko ni na obi egon yen wa lu bi egon e wutebu na obi ewu yan pa kan ya respect o do sipo me koko do enwe eke ya na yegbon ama won sadi me na more than 1 month okay we so we do okay ya ido time we manage we so tan so bi wo wa oyi doge inetia abinu de ina observe wewe na be again na o we so different you know make talk gwalo me won sadi me na o say the Friday okay ni hopo Friday this is Saturday Sunday ya ho idoge na we me ne copad me iresi se ile le copand me I gbogba lega ogwa me mo palu e imagine ireti je mana ima mi ri tu ponji e na buena lare wo every time wa sipo me koko iye banke o ni gu egbo bo iwa ignore we but I have gu egbo bi ya e ka ya no o we gbe mo bi na wa gbe mo bi gbe we gbe me meji iko o ma lo ko ehin o se yo ni ale lo wa kon ko se ale lo wa ko ya aza we gbe na udege you no say na ignore for 1 month na we lare wa sipo we le nwa we na open on my every time we ignore we at least o to we run space we run we kopadu o ya to ko we don message na o nu pass kedo adu udege o jana rent obugbe my dear sister o ga wa me no eduban imiro bishina wa me no do ma mo gbo bo ma no je rent meje be komana udege udego jadi he ona mi la so shi ka ro gweje ya rent wa mo jadi juwa e rent myself ogbo be proud of yourself. You are a landlord and landlady. My brother, even if now baba you build your house, now your house, now your land, nobody will fully drag out there. Era ila ja kekawe vessel you do tun ya keke pastor lo emwe e ko ti gu ajo we lo won wa boyen koku o eni ya o elega ni we ma o ko so carry ya ko ge e ma gba tupo ye e compound ya mi wa ya le compound but o ni o ma e ko bezo me na tun ya e ko ni magin ata o vi yen do use attitude ya pass message me ina tete gu obi yo nu de me mai da ope na provoke ge me de da me yen wa ka ya gbo mi ha gbo o ko ba ni beje wa we no ina iwa gbe o vi do yo ba iwa gbu e wa yo mu ya bu ado ro ni because e boke wona de e ga me na we gin e ko ni take easy because e boke complain my again now again me we ko pan di ro pa kan iye ti do lele la do do kan se na ti ajo do de ga gbon o jana evident bugbe my dear sister e ro mu gwa jo mu go ma se no so aba unu e o le re je ibe bu uwe na struggle no ebo hono okugbo hono wo ha boys bobo no ya e cause o ga easy we ni na ya rufu kwa nwe mana re o be ma ya bo wa e yo bezi abowa mana ya almost billions ya be flat up by phone the family ma we ni o born a family we family na go we mi say wa so wa we ti wa do to mu jane mana use right for 2007 we get the smith space 2000 ya the smith 2007 ni ya yo to get the smith 2000 1% ni ga mo 15000 30000 ya mo 2007 no say ma ka mi ga why come e ba mekeze nene agaga because I measure a roofing 1.5 ya roof wa igita yo tell me mi matter le ni ke dele iya de na my dear brother where rufina or local when you gonna say my dear it tells him you gonna say oh you gonna be able what's able with her but here over you know and not dollars to my taste near way imaka igoni kaze because imoni dirent ja wotedo imoni dirent ya wotedo okonu gemo gwa me mo se no problem ya ruwe my dear sister okonu wo high boy ya we jo gwa ni make a total ji we no je you are lele of your hono erenti uwe ke we bodo ale ijo drag one room abitu flat nu elelodi o total da owa o yoko wait around to total ji mo ya lady yoko wa lazia owa for how many years that bro no ugbe so agun e tag you wa nu wa make ya boko up no matter serious who na dey those kind wa na dam e ho ekwu egbuwa do amuwa wa okin wa we de basu ono se na tela dadu agun bo agi on na enedere agbe aya yoro ya make music ni wa egenu ya yoro oye ohun makawu we wa we sun baba na my dear sister okon no 20 years away ya wefu so far no lawe because okwo na lo ki okwo ba e webo also at the end of the day make no stage setback my dear sister I don't know what do we ewu don mo ya do my dear sister o bia we ho we mo wo bowe etu bo sekanya we etu egwegwa ni ha all respect we cause odo akunwe o iri set is so era me bo wa ye do mani ko bolo wane pan obi agunme gwan me ri set is se me bo wa ye do iri o wa we no see any ikweso ni ya na ri oja wodo iye meke ni ya ri o bia ni as a misbehave iye ikpa iye ya total kijinya kere emi ekwe no igijinya rent o we wa na ri ya ji manage ya bebo u ya o takeba ni emi ekwe no my dear sister so waro wo bo so fa ege upa ya o wa do me peace ba ege wa karo go bo we yes ye gbe do yere to yin awe yes do yere do yo we na do amu ne dabi gbare wa lo tu o wa ege paki ye wenu pare wa we siso o egbe o magegbe o gwa ke no bo he we ga ni we bo ono say no na ma na awe mi my dear sister brag igbe my dear sister yo bo eagle we jane man na you are wasting it you jene saloya de you my 200,000 you dey 6 you my dear sister only investment wa gbon o ga we ya o yeke sorry o egwi when you measure me go do ala you analyze me you only advice ma motivational speaker emehin mo no mo pa o yeke wa gbon cause agbona see realize say you nene enu yo bo o yan yo bo gbegwe ewe yi no ma be ewu no ma be ewu ni yo bo we wo yan yo bo gbewe ji we ni ewu we no ewu ne ma deto ogwo bo e wa mulaziana anafi gbegbege lele get bed lele rufe yo bigo we me right to hear anybody awa apo boyo we ge my sister eze yan gbovo wuyan obi wa wu ateme ma when we are be when you come back property no ma bo ogwa no ma bo eyi wa evapa o we industry no we say we yan tu we to wela dana we say my dear sister o ma ni ga we say na mi ga rewebo make sure be no money iwe salary ha bia re ha yo ni aye ata lo e ma nu we say na yan re do mo say ga say no ma mere no kian ude all those people those orphanage home e ma so imunalele wonu gba me ko don ti eso iya send go nwa ma no re boy han send go from 100 euro yan send gioma wa convert e go re no in Nigeria he said 200 or 250 or any amount send gioma ni no say low o ma me mo bo wa we say na yi so gwa first time ri o gwa na do 12 my father do fiance ya gare shop do gu me gwa mi we shop eyo we 3 days but say yan wa agwe we no sumo ihe we very important thing ogbele yo ona ya o ma me set me up and they say igbo ma se nihin ti tomorrow imami isi aya re lala aye dada isi go bani o ma re do san yan aye lala ma we ri ro pa me na So even me is ila na me mufua my dear sister ese na unima investment amawe no we say but ya brag igbo investment we ni him igoni we zigoji no onu zigoji ene bo ebo every reality with Facebook superstar no who fine my accept but reality me here anything no marry tiger reality jo or downgrade we e ma tell you what ma we na o mo we to o level we e ya we he big do local when she don't get us who get us I don't know who do local e ma do use local hair go say big girl tell him but based on talogbe we don't get Sandra e can okay dairy or say we film mo mere again ire film ona ila gin won boy won agba ya fe we so de na iwon ya agba ya fe we so de na ona le do make e ba ni so do expect no make no ya aja ni ma ni to ta yan na kwa are oke gun e no ka mu gbe yo no ama wa wi yobo kere no I we fo ko sai wa no na wi jobo na gbo majo o sa ba ma we ja gbo e yo nu mo esin yen eson e no ya take care of ya e we face ogugwe so emi opotita agbon we face ogugwe we say man we happy ai ko sin yen bu we de ba ko e yan do ri yobo no e mo na bi ju e won Nigeria wa je sha wa love bu wa de gbo won ma na re we bu me mo yen family o wa de gbo gi ma fo a family dey happy we heart awo so nu si ayewe bu ni we mawo he le se were ni we mawo eni meje like godmother eme èmi ya ni me yo ise me yo èmi ya fe me ni me wa gbon yo teme yo èmi ya fe me ni me wa gbon ko si on genere dere yo pa no o ma gba be va so ya wo wa je kina ngona go je kinu fe naka ugbe so on no we so we jere yes ya we ma no we mi da we ma no me da me gwa kan ya na wo kan ya na gwa kan ya no we me se ni he wa ata yo na gbo me mi on iya on e go na heart of gold o sa bare you we kore why igbe ni yes why igbe ni why did them when area because why am so nu kwa lo iwe o te wo ni awie dere so gema tiantia we e tiantia igbo you go we here invest in rubbish ni eto okay na o wa yo move eto investment eto you marry eto no what she want do like no that one she got 4 children that woman no she too much if na that one dey brag out there 4 children no more dey take train children for school where you go na zebe school emene wait your mono ya gioma no my bie pray ni my ya fe bie ni Jesus because all new expenses already yes single ye hin okay go be okay you know so my bie no so my mo dog no invest in na mo wo pa mo we va mo we ha in pa mo so represent o my be o investment o bie no we rock ba o we me mu na nothing do wo mi wa no do nu hi ya po ya ha da grade no ma no e mo o ho ro viere Nigeria wo vie ke pa wa yo ka gba o vie what using omo na da bia when you go na ya de baby food when you go na ya de baby food do my sister invest your money in no way ti ade who how we were your talk case on be already do everything would there a statement again give oh we e bono na oh igele I love you no ya we gbe e bono na no mi ye yes a proudly mother e boy no mi ye oh you turn it oh why expire no why higher expire delikwa o to yere ba agora gbe bo be yo area developing here those developing area we go ya le je na bu ama owigwe poor people grew wait our growth we dey one or our growth ekene na ya dwekin hi na ti a resident we go a resident who do relapse I'm all we be oye hey brag be majesty or downgrade you way low level because you are damn you now no me no motivational speaker okay la do analyze on me here wa ge wa ba you no you man pick me Facebook ya ribu de ma we no ogi ma ere awe ne ma we ya nwa mana onya fashion why mere oh anyway de aju mo ladian mo na janta ladian o wa fun gbonu pon ètò avioladia èmi ya fe wo wa gwata of course aya se sara o ma na vio ya se sara o wa fun